Okay, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do something here we've been wanting to do for a while. We use a lot of clamps to hold down pieces on this table here because I normally use the table a good bit. The reason why is because I got a compact place here. I don't have a lot of room. I can't put a great big table, so a big work table or anything. So this just going to have to do what we're doing here. We picked up some clamps here. This is something different for us, and they're called bench dog clamps. And you drill a hole in like this into your bench, and then your workpiece goes underneath like this, and then tighten it down to keep your workpiece from moving. But so we're going to end up putting a few of them throughout here, and we're going to put 2 in today to show you and see how it works. The kind of hold down pieces whenever I'm working up here so they don't move around too much. Because that's the biggest problem I have is trying to hold things down, and then you're sanding with one. So we're going to try it with this. So, but they wasn't very expensive. I picked them up off of Amazon for a couple bucks. Let's get a measurement here. So I would say I've got 2 inches here. I'm going to measure it from that where that sled comes up through. 2 inches. And then come over. Oh, I should do that. I think I'll come where else. Let's go 5. 2 to 5. Over here. 5 inches. Now I got a Forster bit in here. It's got a little point on it. Of course, Forster bit's got a little point. You can put them in your drill press or drill, whatever you want to use. I use them for everything, actually. I wear them out pretty fast. So we'll put a couple holes here. I'll try this. Oh, it's going through that other bracket down there. That other piece of wood is good. Went through. Okay, let's do the next one. Oop, wrong way. Okay, let's try these clamps. Ooh, nice. I got another one here. Let's take this piece, put it back up under here. See what it's gonna do. Just slide it down. Oh, it's nice. Yes, that's gonna work. Doing something like that. Excuse me. Then I'm gonna do. I'll probably put 2 more back here, and then probably do the same thing further back. So I get these 2 drilled out. I'll go further back. I'll put 2 more and then 2 more on the end. You can take these. I'm sure you can do other things. You can turn them if you want to turn them, and then put them partial. So if you want to slide this piece back further, something like that, you know, keep the clamps off of it. So you're using less work area, something like that. We will be using these clamps probably a good bit. Trying to hold down that piece because the biggest thing is trying to sand a piece of wood, and using your palm sander or whatever sander you got, and it's just sliding all over the place. But you can put these anywhere. If you got a small table, maybe you have like an old wooden kitchen table, something like that, and you're going to use it for doing crafts and stuff on it. I mean, man, you can't go wrong with these little clamps, especially for crafts, because they're so small and hard to hold on to, especially if you're trying to sand something. Now you can do something like, for instance, like if I'd put something like this up. Okay, let me show you. Should have just pressed down on it, huh? And say I wanted to do, I could put my up against like this, and then put a clamp in behind it here, or or even another set of those drill holes back here, and put another piece of wood. It kind of allow you to have this top open, so there's no clamp sitting on top of your piece of wood. So that would be really handy too, if you wanted to do it that way. But I see the potential with those, using them for pretty much all my woodworking things I'm starting to work with. So, okay, got any comments? Leave them down below. These are bench dog clamps, they call them. I've seen them on there. I've seen them on Amazon a couple times, and you just keep buying small things. Like I said, if I'd show you the small stuff, the little stuff I buy, I'd be here for a year just trying to show you the little stuff I picked up. It really helps out. So, okay, got any comments? Just leave them down below, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.